Hi, Stuart Lee here with Lightning Kayaks. Another question about our Air 9 inflatable. This one's from Donna G, 1947. She asks, Stu, my grandson plays hockey and sometimes is looking for a goalie to shoot pucks at. You think he'll destroy the Air 9? I don't know. Well, let's find out. I'm here today with Olympic hopeful Mason Miner. Mason says with this 85-mile-an-hour slap shot, he's going to destroy our Air 9. What do you think?
Let's go.
Well, Mason, you gave it all you had today. What do you think?
The Air 9 can be on my line anytime.